Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and you know your girl is gonna hook you up with a room tour. You must be wondering, where is she? I'm literally in paradise. But before we go any further, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I know you love what we bring to you, so just subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a like, and of course, please comment on our videos. We love to interact with you in the comment section. So today we are in Villa Sur Mer. Villa Sur Mer is located on West End Road, right in Negril. It is a very relaxed type of vibe. They have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom villas. I'm not gonna give you a lot of details on the property in this video, just the room tour, because we're gonna do an extensive tour of the property in another video. So for the room tour, you know your girl's gonna hook you up, so come with me. So you know I am big on views, right? So you leave your room and you want to sit outside on your patio, on your balcony. I like to have a pleasant view, and as you can see, my view is pretty pleasant. A lot of vegetation. They do a lot of maintenance on their grounds. I get a nice country relaxed type of vibe. Very lovely. It's very cool at nights and so forth. So we are staying in a 1-bedroom villa. So we get living and dining, we get a bedroom and an adequate size bathroom as well. Alright, so once you enter, you are entering into the living room and kitchen area. So what caught my eye first, I love the simplicity of it. Simple but cozy. I love the simple furniture, simple decor, but it really captured me. High ceilings, I'm a fan of that, definitely. And we also have a ceiling fan here to keep you cool. I love the windows. Like, windows are literally everywhere, and they are meshed, so you can even leave them open at night if you wish, and you won't be bothered by insects or mosquitoes. So very simple design, very simple decor. For here, for 2 persons, of course it is enough seating arrangements. Now we were excited about the kitchen area, as this is a villa that doesn't have a restaurant on property, so we would have to go elsewhere for food, and it is always a plus for me when I go to a property such as this and I get an adequate size refrigerator and also a microwave, because these days the properties will have probably a fridge, but you won't get a microwave. So you pretty much get everything basically that you can even cook your own meals. So we get a stove here, we have utensils, they give us plates, pots, they even gave us a bottle of dish soap, we have a dish drainer. So basically you can even walk with your items, you can walk with your stuff, you walk with your drinks and your water. You don't have to break the bank if it is that you even just purchase the accommodation alone and you take your stuff to cook. You can do that as well, because to be honest, the restaurants in the Negril area, they are quite on the pricey side. So it is not a must that when you come here you have to leave and buy food for all of your meals for the day. So they give you everything that you need. They give you a toaster, they give you a kettle, and everything that you need that you can make your meals. So far you can see, very spacious. As I said, the high ceilings, the lighting is a big deal in here, even without turning the lights on. The many windows that we have introduces natural lighting inside. We're getting the sounds from the birds, the wind from outside. It is just so lovely, so cozy. So if you're looking for something a bit more laid back, a little bit away from the hustle and bustle, a little quiet getaway, trust me, you won't be disappointed if you come here. Now for the bedroom, this is our bedroom, and we got a queen size bed. So we have been here since yesterday. We wanted to video as soon as we got here, but we were tired. And let me say, I'm happy that I'm reviewing after spending the night here. very comfortable, very cozy. The bed was also soft. It was just breathtakingly comfortable in here. We also have windows, simple decor, the same high ceilings. We also have a ceiling fan here and an air conditioning unit. We also have storage space, adequate storage space in here that you can put your suitcases and so forth. For 2 people, it's adequate space. But if you're cramped and you need to put your bags inside, you can do that to have maximum space out here. We get hangers, and I think there's also a safe inside here. There is also a safe inside here, and they also provide you with shelves for additional space. Now you know your girl always beating up this small resort such as this that don't give us any mirrors. So as you can see, there's not a built-in mirror in the closet, but they realized that yeah, we need a mirror. So we got a mirror here, full body mirror. I can see myself from head to toe in this mirror, so I'm very happy. We also got a television here, adequate size, and we have cable. Whenever Fabian and I go on vacations, we're not TV person, so we haven't turned the TV on since we have been here. But if when you want to relax and unwind, you want to watch some TV, you can do that here. So me, you know, I'm a very critical person, and I don't have any complaints so far. And Wi-Fi, yes, the Wi-Fi signal is strong. Anywhere you are on the property, you have strong Wi-Fi. As soon as you get here, you get the passwords and so forth. So you basically have everything to your comfort. And I definitely have to big up Carmen, who is the property manager. She is such a sweetheart. She gave us her personal number, so if it's 2 o'clock in the morning, we need something, we can contact her and she will assist us. So I don't have any complaints whatsoever. We also have lamps there. As I said before, lighting is not an issue here because you have natural light, and they give us a lot of artificial light as well. Now heading to the bathroom. Of course, for 2 persons, it's adequate size. We have our traditional water closet. We have our wash hand basin here. We have a nice mirror here as well for the ladies who want to do your makeup and all and fix your hair. Windows again. We have some windows over here, and we have an adequate size tub over here. And we do have hot and cold water. The hot water was pretty consistent. I haven't had any issues in regards to that. And they also gave us a hair dryer, because you know, you're in a pool or so for your hair is gonna get wet, so they saw it fit to do that. And a lot of the properties this size, some of them don't have a lot of these things, but I really applaud the persons who designed this property. They really sat and thought like, okay, what would these people need in order for their stay to be comfortable. They also give us towels, they gave us a bar soap, and I think there is a bottle of shampoo. Yeah, they also give you a bottle of shampoo. So we have been here since yesterday. We checked in yesterday and we actually went on the road today, and when we came back our room was cleaned. So they do housekeeping for you. Our room was cleaned, and small property, as I said, so if you need anything, you don't have to go far to get it. Matter of fact, you don't even have to leave your room. You just call Carmen or one of the gentlemen on the property, and trust me, they will ensure that you get whatever you want. Bedside tables in here, you know, you can rest your stuff on. Trust me guys, like you want a getaway with your significant other, with other members of your family, your friends, you just want to come and chill and hang out, this is the place for you. I was just so blown away with what I saw when I got here, because oftentimes when you search for places online, the pictures don't match up to what you actually see when you get there. And trust me, these people, they really maintain the property well. The facilities, everything is just completely on point. Like whether you're indoors or you're outdoors, like you're pretty much always just blown away with what you see here. So if you are planning on coming to Negril in the near future, you're planning on just going on a vacation and don't want to break a bank, you know, I'm always talking about breaking the bank, because sometimes when you see those prices online, you think going on a vacation is impossible, but it is not. So basically, you can just come here. As I said, you can walk with your stuff, you can cook. We have many restaurants on the stretch. It is very cozy, just very comfortable type of vibe, and I completely love it here. And if I was to rate the cottage here, I would definitely give them a full 10 out of 10. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you saw what you needed to see. I hope this video helped someone to make a decision, someone who probably wanted to come here but not sure. Yes girl, or yes sir, book it, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to please subscribe, please leave a comment, tell me what you think. If you have been here before, just leave a comment so that we can each tell our experiences and so forth. Bye.